in this video we will be discussing about the duration, the main aim and the requirements or the admission requirements of the BSc nursing courses. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello, welcome back to the channel. For those who are watching this video for the first time, this is Sakshi. I am a first year BSc nursing student at GMC Bhopal. So today I have this book which is from INC, which is Indian Nursing Counseling, and this book provides us the syllabus for the BSc nursing counseling and also provide us the duration, the subjects that will be available or that will be in our BSc nursing courses in every year, as well as the durations and the requirements for the admission processes too. So firstly हम लोग देखते हैं कि नर्सिंग का मेन एम क्या है अकॉर्डिंग टू द INC. So the main aim, the wordings are that it is to prepare graduates to assume the responsibilities as professionals, competent nurses and midwives in providing promotive, preventive, curative and rehabilitative services. So as we have seen कि मेन कोर्स जो है ये उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जिन्हें अपने नर्सिंग प्रोफेशन में आगे बढ़ना है. द नर्सिंग और द कोर्स कैन बी ऑफ नर्सेज विच इज़ द BSc नर्सिंग कोर्सेज. इट कैन बी ऑफ मिडवाइफ्स एज वेल एज द ऑक्सिलरी मिडवाइफ नर्सेज टू. सो मेनली दिस इज़ टू प्रमोट द ग्रेजुएट्स ताकि एक नर्स जो है वो कॉम्पिटेंट बन पाए और अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ को अच्छी तरीके से विद ऑल द एजुकेशन एंड ऑल द प्रोफेशनल यूजेस वो चीज़ें अप्लाई कर पाए अपने प्रोफेशन में. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो टू प्रिपेयर नर्सेज हु कैन मेक independent decisions in nursing situations. Yes, we have a proper guidance and we also have a proper subject in the nursing courses जिसमें हम लोगों को exactly क्या procedures होते हैं, किन situation में या कौन सी situation में हमें कौन से actions लेने चाहिए, ये सारी चीज़ें सिखाई जाती हैं. So it may be possible that we have to take the actions in the critical conditions by ourselves too. So the nurses or the aim of nurses is also to prepare the nurses to protect the right and conduct research studies in the area of nursing practices and also to facilitate individuals and the groups in the pursuit of health as well as the functions in the hospitals or to perform the different functions in the hospital. A nurse plays a very great role and a very major role in a patient health. और नर्सिंग का मेन पर्पस है किसी भी इंडिविजुअल को उसकी एक प्रॉपर केयर प्रोवाइड करना एंड उसकी मेडिकल इलनेस को या फिर वो जिस भी काम में डिसेबल है वी हैव टू सपोर्ट देम during their times in which he or she is not able to do the particular activities. Now let's discuss about the admission requirements. तो सबसे पहले आपकी mainly 10+2 which is 12th class complete होनी चाहिए. The second is कि आपकी minimum age at least 17 years of age होनी चाहिए by the time you are taking or you are applying for the admission in the nursing courses. After that you should be a registered student means आपके पास एक qualified mark sheet होनी चाहिए for of your 10th and 12th mark sheet, as well as you should have the certificates or that other certificates like domicile certificates, the caste certificate or anything that is applicable at that time, and also the medical certificate. Now there may be some colleges जो कि नीट के अकॉर्डिंग सिलेबस या नीट के अकॉर्डिंग एडमिशन लेते हैं. देयर आर ऑल्सो कॉलेजेस as well as there are also lot many state level examinations by which you can take admission in the nursing colleges or in the nursing courses. So I myself have cleared the exam which is PNST, pre-nursing selection test, which is the MP state level examination. I have cleared this exam with the rank of 142 all over the state and the rank of 75 as OBC. So mainly if you want to get more information about this exam और अगर आप लोगों को भी PNST exam clear करना है, so you can check the information in other video. I have also made a proper video related to this information. The link will be in the description box or you can click here on the I button. नाउ कम्स द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द कोर्स विच इज़ BSc नर्सिंग. तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि कोर्स की ड्यूरेशन 4 ईयर्स है इंक्लूडिंग द इंटर्नशिप टाइम. सो वीक्स अवेलेबल जो हैं 52 वीक्स हैं इन अ ईयर. वी हैव वेकेशंस ऑफ 8 वीक्स इन अ ईयर as well as some kind of holidays including the 3 weeks, as well as the examination is included for the 4 week which is 1 month of the examination. अब उसके बाद हम देखते हैं कि अवेलेबल वीक्स है हमारे पास 37 आफ्टर एक्सक्लूडिंग ऑल दीज हॉलीडेज एंड द एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन टाइम. एज उसके बाद हम लोग देखते हैं द वी हैव 40 आवर्स पर वीक, द प्रैक्टिकल्स इज़ फॉर 30 आवर्स per week, as well as the theory is for 10 hours per week. So as we have seen here कि यहाँ पे मेन नर्सिंग का हर एक काम प्रैक्टिकल के थ्रू ज़्यादा किया जाता है, बिकॉज ऑल दीज प्रोसीजर्स we have to apply all these procedures into the real patients and into the real humans. So it is very necessary for us to know everything. Now comes the next thing, which is the internship practical. This is for 48 hours per week and hours available per academic year is 1480 hours, which means 37 weeks into 40 hours which is per week, and we have 1480 hours. So this is the duration for the proper course. We have the internship level also available or including here, और हमारे पास courses हैं. अब हम लोग देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट ईयर में कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स अवेलेबल होते हैं. So the first one is English, which is optional. The second one is anatomy, physiology, nutrition, biochemistry, nursing foundation or the fundamentals of nursing, psychology, microbiology, introduction to computers. So these are all the subjects, and the Hindi is also our optional subject, as well as many co-curricular activities. If you also wanted to know the subjects that we will be studying in the second, third and fourth year respectively, so please comment below so that I will be able to know that you want these details too, and I will be sharing them into the next video. This is Sakshi. That's all for today, and I will catch you in the next video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, as I make videos related to your preparations as well as my nursing life. Thank you so much.